Hey there, home inspectors. Get ready to transform your website into a client magnet. Ever felt like your site's just sitting there, not pulling its weight? Well, it's time for a change, a big one. Imagine your website, but now it's the hardest working tool in your toolkit. Picture this. A client lands on your page and bam, they're hooked. How? By nailing what they need. Easy navigation, quick booking, and all the info at their fingertips. No more losing potential clients to a maze of menus and outdated info. It's all about first impressions. Make it professional, make it sleek, and most importantly, make it you. Because when your website reflects the quality of your work, clients notice. And they don't just visit your site, they stay, they book, they trust. So, are you ready to give your online presence the upgrade it deserves? Because a converting website isn't just nice to have, it's your 24/7, always-on digital handshake. And in this minute, you just took the first step towards a website that doesn't just sit there. It sells.